What's up everybody, welcome back to the channel, and yes, we did just get a new intro video, and that is going to be our topic of discussion today. So welcome to Grow Your YouTube channel, where we help you with channel growth, tips and tricks, getting you monetized quickly as we just did, reaching more organic viewers, and the best and expert YouTube advice. So if you haven't already, make sure to hit that subscribe button and notification bell so we can help you grow your channel too. Now let's dive right into it. Do you need a YouTube intro and outro? The short answer to that is no, technically you don't, but it is recommended, especially if your channel is starting to grow, so that it can continue to impress new viewers and influence them to subscribe to your channel. Now, if we go over to this article by Alan Spicer, he also recommends that the primary reason an intro is important is new viewer retention. Now, what that means is how long a viewer is going to be watching your video for. So if this video is going to be 4 minutes long and someone watches for 2 minutes, that is going to be a 50% viewer retention. Now that may go up or down depending on the topic of discussion and if that person is interested or not, but it also has to do with your intros and outros when it comes to new viewers. So that is why it is highly recommended to get a YouTube intro at least. Outros, not so much, because a lot of people might not make it until the end, but even just a 5 to 10 second intro would really influence people to subscribe to your channel. Now, I went to Fiverr.com. Again, I made a past video on Fiverr on YouTube designs and logos, and they are great for that. They are great for intros and outros too. And the great thing is that they are affordable. Now, some of these prices are a little bit higher, but what you can do is go to this budget tab, and you can actually enter in a minimum and maximum amount. So if your budget is only $5 and you want to only go up to 10 max, remember there is about a $2.70 fee when you use Fiverr. So that will be applied onto any order. Even if it's $5, it'll end up being $7. So that's why if you order something for $10 or $15, it's still only going to be a couple dollars more. Now, as you can see, there's a bunch of options and they all look very promising. 250 reviews, 187, 367. So a lot of YouTubers have used these or outsourced their intros and outros to Fiverr.com. And there are so many good and affordable ways to go on this website. And I can't say enough good things about all the people on here. These are freelancers wanting to help you, and they are professional and they will give you a very good offer indeed. And this one caught my mind right away. It is a 3D logo animation intro and YouTube intro video that they can do in 6 hours. And again, when you go on Fiverr, they have a basic, a standard, and a premium option. Me personally, I would go with a premium option because I love 4K quality. I'm always wanting to go over the top. But if basic is okay with you, 1080p is still a great quality for most YouTube viewers because they will already have that as a preset setting. Now, as you can take a look, this person's video is definitely going to be worth the money to me. And for intros, you don't want them to be that long, but it's definitely promising. Just looking at it, and you can put any logo in there too. So not just that, but you can put your own logos in there and they will make a 3D representation of it. And to me, that's pretty cool. Now, I know some of you may be thinking that, you know, it might already be a preset for them, so it could be easy, yes. But at the same time, if you are willing to outsource this for just a little bit of money, it is going to be worth it, and it's going to save you time in the long run. But if you want to do it yourself, by all means. But I highly recommend Fiverr.com if you are looking to outsource your intros and outros. So again, long story short, you don't need an intro and an outro. I recommend it. I'm starting to do it now because my intros before were me showing my thumbnails and getting a brief explanation of what my video is going to be about. And that's always good to have an introduction about what your video is going to be about and then have an intro. Or you can do it the way that I just did it and have your intro before you get into everything. It's up to you. It's up to your discrepancy. And it's also your taste and what you think your viewers will like. So this has been another video from Grow Your YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching. Thanks for being a subscriber if you are, and if not, consider subscribing right now and hitting the notification bell so we can help you grow your channel, because that's all that we're here for. We're here for you guys and gals. So peace out until next time. See you later.